Maria Blal,
And I'm Asmaraz.
and today we are here to give a presentation on MS Excel. MS Excel is a spreadsheet program. It's a part of Microsoft Office package. Microsoft Excel enables users to enter data in a tabular way. Microsoft Excel enables users to format, organize, and calculate data in spreadsheet. Excel contains large number of boxes called cells that are ordered in rows and columns. Now Asma will tell you elements of MS Excel.
If you look at the top of the MS Excel screen, you will find a bar called title bar. It displays the name of the current workbook, and it also contains minimize, maximize, and close button. And towards the left side of the title bar, there is quick access toolbar. It helps us to do common tasks within just one click. And below the quick access toolbar, there is File tab. It's the green color tab, and if you click on it, you will find the Microsoft Office backstage view. And then there is Ribbon. Ribbon has two parts. Tabs. For example, Home tab and Insert tab. Each tab contains different commands arranged in different rows. For example, if you click on Home tab, you will find different groups like Clipboard group and Font group. And at the center, it's Spreadsheet, or we can say Worksheet or Electronic Sheet. And at the bottom, there is Sheet tab. It helps us to move between sheets. For example, if you are in sheet 1 and you want to go to sheet 2, you just have to click on sheet 2. And then there is status bar. It shows us the current status of cell and zoom option. And it contains zoom option.
Now we will explain rows and columns. Rows. Rows are horizontal data. Each row is noted by unique numerical values. Row function. The row function returns the row number of a reference in a formula. Example, row C10 returns row number 10. I will show you practical. For example, this is a spreadsheet. This is horizontal data. If I will write here Maria, this is here horizontal data. So it's called rows. And this horizontal data is denoted by numeric values, means numbers 1, 2, 3. And if their column and cell will intersection, the row function returns the row number of a reference in a formula. Here, if this is a cell, if this is 1, and here the column is C. So here comes C1. So this returns the row number. And now Asma will explain the column.
Columns are the vertical data. Each column is denoted by alphabets. For example, this is a spreadsheet. And here the data arranged vertically is called column, and it's denoted by alphabets like A, B, C, D, etc.
Now, components of MS Excel. Excel has its own terminology for its components, which new users may not immediately find understandable. Some of these include the following: cell, cell reference, active cell formula, autofill, address bar, column and row heading. But today I will only explain some of these. First is cell. A user enters data into a cell, which is the intersection of rows and columns. Cell reference. This is the set of coordinates where a cell is located. Active cell. This is currently selected cell outlined by green box. Formulas. Formulas are mathematical equations or functions that can be placed inside a cell to produce a value. Now, common uses of Excel. Excel is most commonly used in business settings. Example, it's used in business analysis, human resource, operation management, and performance reporting.
Excel uses large collection of cells formatted to organize and manipulate data and solve mathematical operations.
Thank you for listening to our presentation carefully.